What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel. Buy the dip. That is right, guys. Guys, we're starting out first with the Webull and the stock shout out. That's right. So, guys, first link down below, Webull. Download $100 using that link. Get up to 4 free stocks, guys. And our stock shout out of this video is going to be ticker symbol PCPL. It's going to be E2 Open, guys. Let's get into that right now. All right, guys, and here it is. We're on the E2 Open website right here to check it out. And guys, this here is going to be a great SPAC company, and that's why we put this in the $100 portfolio series for Webull. E2 Open to become publicly traded company through the combination with CC Newberger Principal Holdings 1. Here is some of their actual customers, guys, that they have partnered with: 3M, AMD, Cisco, HP, Kellogg's, Land O'Lakes, Microsoft, PepsiCo, VMware, and Zebra, guys. This company, software here, that's going to be changing a lot for businesses. So here's a couple of the latest news articles that has been published by E2 Open, and I think that it's important that we do kind of look over these real quick. E2 Open named leader in the 2020 Nucleus Control Tower Value Matrix for 6th consecutive year. So, and as we look over here at the most recent articles here, which is really huge, why I'm picking this for our stock shout out. On November 12th, E2 Open's Q4 technology update expands automation to increase accuracy and efficiency at lower risk. On the 18th of November, E2 Open wins the 2020 Central Texas Growth, guys. That is all right. Now, as we're in the article here, it says here that named winner in the category of companies with more than 100 million in annual revenue for the second year in a row. Guys, that is huge. That says here they're congratulating E2 Open for their category win. It says here that the Network for Digital Economy has been named the winner of the Associated Corporate Growth, has select SHPO as strategic partner to boost value in creation for clients, guys. Stock right now is only at $10.30, so there's really no risk because of these SPACs. $10 is the base price, so you're only risking 30 cents on your $10.30 investment. So that is our stock shout out. All right, guys, and now we're going to go over our plans for LCA this week. As you know, this week is going to be huge. December 18th, this Friday, is the official merger vote day, guys. And what is my plans for this week? Well, plans are, guys, as you know, they're just sitting there. I'm not touching my shares. And as we get out here to these options contracts, we have 2 contracts that expire December 18th, $25, and we have 1 contract expiring the 18th as well to $22.50. Now here's my prediction. I'm thinking this stock should be booming this week. If we go up here and look at the chart, this thing took a little bit of a dip on the 1 week. It started out kind of good in the week, and it started dipping down, so the sell-off started to happen here on the 10th and the 11th. As you can see, it was up high here on the 9th, man. We were up to $25 right there on the 9th, but then it sold off, man. People was taking profits. Now, I'm giving the reason that I think this week it's going to go back up, man. This stock is going to go back up this week because the merger is coming. These SPACs, when they go to the merge, they hype up and go up. So I'm really predicting that Golden Nugget's going to go up this week, guys. So our plan with the options for me is I'm going to hang on these till Wednesday. Now, if we get a big spike up and the options start getting into the positive, I may sell them out early because I don't want to let them ride to Friday in case something happens. Because, you know, SPACs go up real quick in price, and then after they officially merge, they drop back down because all that price is built into the hype. So, if you guys have options and you get profits, good profits this week, cash out your profits, man. Don't let it ride. Don't risk it. Take any profit you can get in options. It's better to have a profit than getting a zero. Wanted to show you this here. All right, guys, and now we're on the New Jersey revenue site. And as we're looking here, I think it's really important that I'm thinking November's earnings should be coming out very soon. So if we go here and click in October, so here it is, $28 million in revenue for the month of October for Golden Nugget, Atlantic City, monthly internet gross. And if we go down here to the bottom, this was last signed on the 9th of November. If this has anything that we can get the November revenues out, guys, before this Friday's vote, getting these positive numbers from New Jersey, the stock can even go higher. That is my bull thesis on this, man. So height of the SPAC merging Friday should bring this stock up. I'm saying anywhere between my price points of $25 to $35. I don't know where this thing is going to run, but I'm just giving a price point of 25 to 35 because, in my opinion, this is one of the SPACs that has not got the love and attention that a lot of other SPACs have got. So this SPAC should be due to take a run, man. I'm telling you, this SPAC is due for a run. I just don't know if it's going to be this week, next week, or next year. That is the only problem with options. They're time sensitive, but your shares, they're not time sensitive. You hold them as long as you want. So that's what I'm thinking, guys. We're going to hang on to these options up to Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. If you get profits, take the profit. I'm hoping these November revenues come out. I will be on here doing a video that night if the revenues come out, and hopefully the stock pops. Like I said, guys, every half hour, keep checking your options contract. And if you see you getting that 100% profit or so, cash one or two of them out, take some money, let one ride if you want. That's my plan. So, all right, guys, let's get into the next stock we're going to cover. All right, guys, and of course, we got to talk about Apex Technology, guys. What we're going to do is keep our eye on this. Anything under $15 is a buy. We're riding this up to 30 bucks. We're building up our 100 shares. You see, I still got 50 shares at average cost of $14. If this thing dips below $14, I'll buy 10 more shares at that price point, guys. And we're leading up to getting the 100 shares on this. And I did find something, guys, really amazing that I wanted to show you. So I went on to the AvePoint website and I found out some of the awards that this company's been winning. So I wanted to highlight these awards here, these first couple that's up here. AvePoint wins the Microsoft Singapore Partner of the Year 2020. Guys, that is huge because companies we invest in, we want them to win awards. Look at Golden Nugget. They've won awards year over year, like 3 years in a row. Best customer service, best player experience. They keep winning awards over and over. So we're putting our money into AvePoint. We want this company to be winning awards as well. And as we know, AvePoint is a partner with Microsoft. And that is going to be huge that they work together. And this is going to make this company grow, man. When these revenues come out, they're going to be phenomenal. And here's some 2019. AvePoint wins 2 awards at the Best Azure Solution and Community Contribution to the European SharePoint Office 365 and the Community Awards. Also, AvePoint takes home 3 Microsoft Singapore Partner of the Year 2019 awards. So, guys, right there's just a couple of awards right here on the AvePoint website. You go under the About section, you scroll down to the awards, and right there it is, man. You can check out what this company's been doing. I think it's really key that we keep up with what the company is doing. I read you the SEC filing. They have 3 big things that's coming up on a vote for them as well. And that was in my last video I did of Apex Technology. If you didn't check that out, go back and check out my last video that had Golden Nugget and Apex in it. So guys, let's get into the next part we're gonna All right, guys, and I'm giving you another stock shout out in this video. That's right, man. It's Saturday night. I'm giving you 2 stock shout outs. And a lot of people's been asking for this one. Ticker symbol BFT, Foley Transmanine. Paysafe, guys, you asked for it. This thing took off. And this is going to be merging with Paysafe. And guys, I found something that I think I wanted to share with you guys. 9 things we want to know about the Paysafe SPAC merger. And I'm going to read them off to you here and why it could be good. Starting off, investors should know that Paysafe is an integrated payments platform focused on connecting businesses with customers. That's number 1. Number 2, the SPAC merger will have the new company changing its name to Paysafe on trading on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol PSFE. Number 3, Paysafe merger with Foley Transmanine acquisition 2 implies pro forma enterprise value of $9 billion at closing. The next one, the merger will result in Paysafe gaining $150 million in cash to work with from the SPAC. Also, it includes $2 billion in funding from various private investors. Next, among that's $500 million invested at the Fidelity National Title Insurance. Another $350 million comes from Cannae Holdings. Also, other investors make up the remaining investment funds. So as long as there's no trouble, the Paysafe SPAC merger is set to close during the first quarter of 2021, guys. Those are 9 quick things that I think we needed to go over about the Paysafe, and they all seem to be really great. So if you're into this one and you're into APXT, these are both looking to merge around that first quarter of 2021. So if we go back here and look at the chart, If we can get Paysafe under 14, that is a buy, absolutely. Right now up at 1546, it popped. So I don't really recommend right now buying it. Like I said, with this SPAC not merging until the first quarter, that's why I'm not rushing to get my 100 shares of APXT right now, because I want to get them under 14 a share. I want to get this one under 14 a share if I can. So as we're building up the portfolio, guys, this is what I wanted to put on your list for a stock shout out. That this Paysafe one, man, is going to be a big one as well. And I know you guys want it, so I'm glad to give it to you. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. I love and appreciate every single one of you. So guys, I will catch you in the next one. Until then, remember to buy the dip, baby. Let's go!